Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tungayan natin at bubulabogin natin yung angel spirit. Please give me information po. So this is the Four of Swords, something on the intuitions, no? Binibigyan ng paalala, babala ng mga ating angel spirit na you need to pay attention kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa paligid mo. And this is something that temperate for healing, na magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito at the same time. This is something have patience, kailangan mong kumalma. Huwag ka masyadong agresibo sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. There's a Knight of Swords with an anxiety, sleepless nights, no? Kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng overthinking, being paranoid, and of course, sa stress, no, additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's the Hangman. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling hang, no? Kumbaga maraming tumatakbo sa utak at isipan mo. Yun yung kailangan mong pakawalan. Additional messages. So this is something the Emperor, na being mature enough and being grounded. Kailangan dahil mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Hindi ka dapat magpapapekto sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay, this is something that's hormone for a major changes. Now, there's something chaos, na may mga bagay o mga way na maaring masira, no? May maaring kumbaga unti-unting maglaho. Now, there's something distractions, na may mga taong pipilitin guluhin, no? There's a Four of Swords, represent what? Represent with the Three of Pentacles. So, this is something collaborations, no? Teamwork, unity, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng mas malino na kaisipan. Now, there's something socialized, and of course, the communication with other people, na kailangan mong labanan na takot at pangamba mo. Ganon. Kumbaga, there's something comfort zone, na parang takot kang makisalamuha, na parang ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages with the Temperance. Reference with the Four of Wands, something celebration. Unti-unti ka na makakaranas ng mga celebration. Unti-unti ka na makakaranas ng magandang eksena. Now, there's just something, a twin flame energy at the same time. There's just something patient pagdating sa love life kasi may mga tao or sa sitwasyon mo na tao talagang para sa'yo. This is the Knight of Swords. Represent what? With the Ten of Cups, something happiness. Magiging masaya ang pamilya mo at magiging masaya ka dito. No? What is the Hangman? Represent what? What is the Hangman in reverse to represent with the Two of Cups with a partnership? No? Some of you guys, meron naman ditong, kumbaga, you're feeling stuck from this situation or for this relationship na kailangan mong alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Ganon. Baguhin mo yung pananaw, baguhin mo yung cycle. Now, what is the Emperor? Represent with the Judgment. A wake-up call. Now, this is you need to pay attention sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Kailangan maging mature ka, maging grounded ka. No, hindi mo kailangan sumunod sa mga sinasabi nila. No, you have the power, no, to create something meaningful situation. This is something that you want, something a past communication, a past movement. Bibilis din ang takbo ng eksena dito na maaaring magpabago ng landasin mo. There's a trouble and there's a something transactions, a messages, phone call na may mga tao sa sitwasyon mo na bigla ang magbabago. No? Kumbaga, hindi mo in-expect itong tao na to na may mga kaganapan sa kanya na hindi mo hawak at hindi mo control. There's the Four of Swords, because the Three of Pentacles represent what? So this is a Knight of Wands for something resilience, no? Kailangan mo maging tahimik, kailangan mo maging mahinahon. No, napakalapit mo na para may sa katapanan to. There's something resilience na parang sinasabi na kailangan mo magtiyaga sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, kailangan mo ng unity, something teamwork with other people, but you need to step up, no, and step out from the comfort zone. So this is the temperance, and of course the Four of Wands. Reference with the Ace of Wands, something a new project, new plans, no, new job, new opportunities, no? This is a perfect timing for you na maaaring magkaroon ng celebration and family gatherings and even an events na maaaring magdala sa iyo ng something a new beginning, no? What is the Nine of Swords? Because the Ten of Cups. Represent with Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment, no? Kung ano yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, maaaring mag-harvest din sa at the end of the time. Kaya huwag kang mag-iisip or huwag kang maghahatak ng negative, magkakaroon ng negative outcome. So let's see what is the Hangman reverse and the Two of Cups. Represent what? With the Page of Wands, something a good news. May magandang balita din dito, no? There's just something a good opportunities and good news coming in for you with the two of with a partnership, with the unconditional love, no? But na maaaring kung magagamitin mo yung puso mo, no, para magkaroon ng kaugnayan sa ginagawa mo or sa situation mo, even sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. Gamitin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo yung hilig mo at kagustuhan mo talaga, no? What is the Emperor and of course the Judgment? So this is something, the Six of Pentacles. There's a give and receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na ang about sa finances. Pinapaalalahanan ka na maging mature kapag how to manage your money wisely. No, kailangan marunong kang panghawakan ko ano man yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. There's a give and take at the same time. Hindi pwedeng give lang ng give, hindi lang pwedeng take lang take. This is a Tower moment because the Eight of Wands. Referencing with the King of Swords. There is something of mental clarity, mental agility, and something intelligence, no? Kailangan maging matalino ka, no? Kapag paano ka magdesisyon or paano ka gumawa ng action, may mga bagay na kailangan putulin. Yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo at the end of that time. Na alam mong walang benefits, alam mong hindi ka mag-grow from this eksena, kumbaga kailangan mong baguhin na yung information or something, a situation mo, no? So let's see what is the outcome. Sa madaling salita, kailangan mo makawala sa unhealthy situation. And there's a devil card with toxicity and negative thoughts. And this is a 7 of there's something confusion. Maaring ginugulo kayo, no? Or ginugulo ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Or either this is a toxic or there's a black magic involved na maaring ginugulo yung utak mo. What is additional messages? And because this is something the Nine of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Maging mahinahon. Huwag kang padalos-dalos. Magiging aggressive ka as of now, guys. Magiging mainit ka. Na parang, kumbaga, sasabayan to ng temptation. No? Magiging greedy at the same time. This is something the star card for healing. And there's something a miracle. May mga biglaang magbabago or either there's something, a great blessing coming in for you. And there's a blessing this, guys, na maaaring hindi mo in-expect na maaaring pagkalob sa'yo. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. For finances and career, there's something the Nine of Swords with the success driven. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na magsasuccess. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo naman sa katuparan. And this is something the Nine of Pentacles, represent with the security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances dito, no? And this is a Five of Pentacles for financial loss or financial crisis. So some of you guys, no, wag kang maging padalos-dalos sa paggastos. Wag kang maging padalos-dalos sa paglabas ng pera. Maging wais at maging sigurado kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pagkagastosan, no? There's just an additional messages about naman tayo sa love life. So this is a three of with a partnership, celebration, and the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. Now, meron about dito with the third party na maaaring malaking involved about sa finances. So this is something the world with the travel. No, some of you guys, no, kumbaga nasa ibang bansa yung jowa mo or nasa ibang bansa yung partner mo or either kumbaga magiging ibang bansa ka na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng malaking pera pero mag-iingat ka, may third parties dito. It's a positive and negative. Let's see. Gusto ko i-clarify. Oh, there's a wheel of fortune with a good luck. Na magandang kapalaran to with something, at least kasi with something third party na tutulong sa'yo about sa pera. Na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng something celebration. And the wheel of fortune, something destiny to happen. And blessed, no? May swerte papasok sa'yo. No? Pagdating dito, may taong tutulong sa'yo. No? At maaaring baka ito na yung mapangasawa mo. Additional messages about sa health. So this is a Queen of Pentacles. There's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur, no? Kailangan marunong kang i-manage yung stress mo, no? And this is a Seven of Wands. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo, even your grounds, even your situation. Diba? So let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? Magical fairy messages represent that paid off, no? At yung sinasabi, bitawan mo yung mabibigat, no? Wag mo nang bit-bitin yung mga bagay na yan kasi kumbaga hindi magiging magaan ang sitwasyon mo. The more na bit-bit mo yung mga pighati at galit at puot na yan, hindi ka makakalaya sa bangungot ng nakaraan. One more card, please. And this is something healing, healed healer. O, ibig sabihin, unti-unti nang gumagaling or maaaring unti-unti nang pagalingin, diba, yung mga sitwasyon or kaganapan sa buhay mo. Ito yung sinasabi ko na kailangan mong pakawalan ang nagbibigay pabigat or nagbibigay ng pasanin sa'yo at pasakit. What is a yin and yang oracle card? And there's a something memories. Ito yung nakaraan na eh. May nakaraan dito na kailangan mo ng pakawalan. And there's a flow. Unti-unti na siyang dadaloy. And there's an avoidance. Kailangan mo na iwasan, tigilan, no? Wag mo nang hayaan makapasok pa sa buhay mo ulit to. What is the synchronicity represent what? And there's a father figure. Meron ditong tatay, no, na maaaring ginagabayan ka. And this is something wildness, no? Kailangan mo maging matapang ng palaban. And there's an imaginations, no? Palawakin mo yung kaisipan mo dito, makakapag-create ka ng new ideas and new plans, and of course, new ventures, no? And this is something a brother, no? Meron ka dito kapatid na lalaki na maaaring related din sa iyong ama na ginagabay ng ating angel spirit. So let's see what is the Romance angels represent what? What is the Romance angels represent what? And there's a something, I'm sorry, may hingi dito ng tawad from the past. And there's a something fated meeting, no? Kumbaga meron dito connections with that other people, no? Maaaring magbigay ng connections about sa love life. What is the Archangel Michael messages for you? A favorable outcome. Papabor din sa yung sitwasyon at magiging maganda ng takbo ng eksena dito. Your children are watched over by angels, no? Yung mga gabay mo ay maaaring ginagabayan ng iyong mga anak, no? And there's something romance and angels and helping you. No? Ginagabayan din ng ating angel spirit ang iyong relasyon at pag-ibig. What is additional messages with the romance angels represent what? And there's a past life relationship. Meron talaga dito about sa nakaraan na kailangan mo nang kalimutan at pakawalan. And this is something, this could be the one. Maaaring siya na yon. Maaaring may mga bagay na nakita ka na maaaring kumbaga nakilala mo na yung taong para sa'yo talaga. What is additional messages? With an angel spirit, with an energy. And door to the volume. Bukas ang pinto ang pagdating sa, diba, pagkakaperahan. And there's an hostilities. Protection na pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. And there's a patient with a perfect timing. With the time has come, ayun yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. Diba, darating yung oras na yon na maaaring maging maganda na ang ikot ng kapalaran para sa'yo. Dahil nga ay papabor na sa'yo ang sitwasyon, maaaring lahat ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo ay may dahilan yon. No, bakit nangyayari? And there's an earth school with a something life lesson. So, kailangan mong matuto sa buhay. No, tinatawagan ka ng ating mga angel spirit na para makinig at matuto. This is something that Starkeeper, stay on your ground. No, kailangan magstay ka sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa'yo. Kailangan mo matuto sa mga bagay na yan. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito. Some of you, there's a guilt. May mga galit at puot dito na kailangan mo ng pakawalan at alisin. What is the Montology represent what? And there's a surrender to the divine, no? Kailangan mo ng pakawalan yan at paubaya sa ating Panginoon. And this is something, the energy is gaining momentum. At itong bagay na to yung hindi mo makakalimutan. At maaaring tumatak to sa'yo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's an isolation. Kumbaga, you're feeling stuck, no? And there's a complacency, no? Kumbaga, wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. And this is something recovery. Makaka-recover yan. No, at the end of the time. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And because this is something about love, no, there's a something love. Kapag nagmamahal ka at minamahal mo ang ating Panginoon at ating mga gabay, maaaring ipagkaloob sa iyo mga bagay na kahilingan or kagustuhan or ninanais mo. And there's a fire with the transmutation, purification. May mga bagay na lilinisin na. May mga bagay na aalisin na. May mga bagay na unti-unti nang mawawakasan. Additional messages with the career change. Unti-unti na rin magbabago yung career mo. And there's something infinite abundance na magkakaroon ka na kasaganahan dito nag-uumapaw. What is Archangel Raphael messages for you? Ask your body for massage. No, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ating mga gabay na mag-massage or something nag-exercise, no? What is an angel's answer? Represent what? Don't stop. No, wag kang hihinto. Manalangin at magtiwala ka with an angel spirit, with an abundance. So, si kasaganahan talaga ang nag-uumapaw para sa iyo. For Jesus' loving quote said, I am the good shepherd given his life from the sheep, no? Ibig sabihin dito, isinilang or ginawa ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na para sa iyo at para sa ikabubuti mo. May mga panahon at pagkakataon na kailangan mo munang matutunan, kailangan mo munang malaman bago mo makita ang totoong nilalaman, diba? Kailangan mo munang pagdaanan yung mga bagay o sakit na yan bago mo makita kung ano talaga yung purpose sa buhay mo. What is an angel's number? Represent what? And of course, this is something 15-15, the big break. No? This is the moment na para unti-unti na magkaroon ng mga improvement and development ang nangyayari sa buhay mo. An opportunity, help, extra cash, or other support is coming your way. So keep going, having fun. When some performing your task, the most tremendous success comes from passion. All efforts will be rewarded big time. So same, lahat ng mga pagod mo at paghihirap mo, makukuha mo rin yan. At maaaring pumabor sa'yo yung mga bagay na kagustuhan mo, na maaaring makuha mo at maaaring matamo mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na hinangad mo at pinagpasalamat at pinagdasal mo. What is the messages of life? Represent what? Represent with the return to the inner temple. Today, I rediscover my inner self in the sacred silence. And this is the inner temple in which I am able to calmly study with the lessons life has provided me here. Regain my sense of tranquility and retrieve my trust in the universe, but in the light of the inner temple, I now remember the value of each step, every step of my life. So, lahat ng mga pagdadaanan mo, unti-unti mo nang napagtatagpi-tagpi na may ibig sabihin at mayroong nilalaman at may kahulugan lahat ng mga bagay na ibinibigay sa iyo ng ating pong may kapal. Kaya kailangan mo matuto, no? Nabasahin, obserbahan at kailangan mong intindihin ang mensahe ng ating mga gabay. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.